Welcome to SimInsight's Virtual Chemistry Lab. Today we will conduct an experiment to determine the properties of salt solutions, that is, whether a salt is acidic, neutral or basic. Acidic substances are usually identified by their sour taste. An acid is basically a molecule which can donate an H+ ion and can remain energetically favorable after a loss of H+. Acids are known to turn blue litmus red. Bases, on the other hand, are characterized by a bitter taste and a slippery texture. A base that can be dissolved in water is referred to as an alkali. When these substances chemically react with acids, they yield salts. Bases are known to turn red litmus blue. The neutral substance is a substance which is not acidic or basic, has the same amount of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions, and does not alter the color of the litmus surface. pH scale is used to find the numeric value of the level of acidity or basicity of a substance. A pH scale measure can vary from 0 to 14, where 0 is the most acidic and 14 is the most basic a substance can be. Another way to check if a substance is acidic or basic is to use litmus paper. There are two types of litmus paper available that can be used to identify acids and bases: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns red under acidic conditions and red litmus paper turns blue under basic or alkaline conditions. There are 4 substances kept in front of you, and you need to identify which group they belong to. Click on the dropper to grab it. Click on ferric chloride vial in order to acquire 1 milliliter of it on watch glass. Click on watch glass in front of it to add the substance to it. Take a piece of blue and red litmus paper and dip it in the solution on watch glass by clicking on it. Observe the changes on color of litmus paper.
From the analysis, which group does ferric chloride belongs to?
Correct. Ferric chloride turns blue litmus paper red, but it does not change the color of red litmus paper. That means it is acidic in nature. Now repeat the same procedure for the other 3 substances.
From the analysis.
Correct. Hydroiodic
From the analysis, which group does sodium chloride belongs to?
Correct. Sodium chloride does not change the color of either red litmus or blue litmus paper, that means it's neutral in nature.
From the analysis, which group does sodium acetate belongs to?
Correct. Sodium acetate turns red litmus paper blue, but it does not change the color of blue litmus paper, that means it's basic in nature. The simulation ends here. You can exit by pressing the button on bottom left corner.